So I don't like the look of my current Jeep tail lights, and I'm sure a lot of us don't unless you have the Rubicon. So AM Off-Road sent me out their smoked LED tail lights, and I'm pretty excited because they're gonna change the rear end of my Jeep. And if you don't like them, you should keep watching. I'll show you how to change them out. Before we change them out, let's see what's in the box. Looks pretty good to me. To start, I would use this trim tool or a pick. I recommend using the trim tool unless you really care about the plastic in your Jeep. So we're gonna insert it in here, push in, pull up, and you're gonna see a star, and it's gonna be a T40 Torx star. So let's go get that. Once you get your T40, or if you have your little Jeep pouch, I lost mine a long time ago. T40 will get it right out. So let's put it in here. Once you get it out, let's go to the front. All you have to do is give it a nice pull. Came out like nothing. So you're gonna have this clip, and with one tool, just try to get it out. Usually these are a pain in the butt to get out. And you're gonna have this connector with a little tool. Just pull this pin up. I like to pry in here a little bit. It should come out like nothing. Once you got your tail light out, don't throw it away because you're gonna be using this assembly on the new headlight. And let's see how that looks. In my case, I have this jumper that's for my trailer lights. You guys probably don't have it, so you don't need to worry about it. But like I said, don't throw the tail light away. You have 1, 2, 3 screws that have this mounting bracket that you got to transfer over to the new tail light. So let's take them off. Once you've taken the 3 screws off, you should just be able to take it off. Careful with the cables, don't want to pinch them. So route them to a proper place and screw them on. Okay, so once you have this done, you're pretty much ready to install them. I don't like having all this cable everywhere, so I'm gonna zip tie it. And like I said, I'm installing this because I need it for my trailer lights. You probably don't have it, so don't worry about it. Now we're ready to install on the Jeep. We're almost ready to install, but I still have a lot of grime, dirt around, so quickly take a rag, try to clean out that edge. since I don't know when it's the next time I'm gonna be in here. And then just go ahead and bring your light. You'll hear the click. Push the safety up, and let's start assembling it. Careful without pinching any cables. And to me, that's a flush mount. Now we're gonna install the plastic little screw. So let's do that. Should just be able to put it in there. Hand tighten it first. We don't want to over tighten it because we don't want to break the bolt. And then we just put our cover back in. Put this side in. And that's all. Now we just got to do the other side. Take out the screw and we're ready to pop the tail light out. And just like the other side, this comes right off. Remember to pull this tab down. I like to put my screwdriver, whatever I have in here, try to loosen up that connection a little bit. Comes right out. Just like the other side, we'll just take 3 screws off. Now we're ready to install. Just like the other side, let's give it a quick clean. Let's grab our tail light. Just like that, connect. Be careful on this side because you have the little arm that holds the rear door from swinging closer. Just make sure that it's free from pinching any wires. Definitely don't want that. Just like that, you're ready to put the plastic screw in the inside. Just grab our plastic bolt, put it in there, hand tighten it first. So you got that, tighten it up. Once again, don't over tighten it because it is plastic. Just like that, you're done. Let's go see how it is.